Okay, so the big picture for this lesson is integers and absolute value. So an integer is any number in this set. Now you might hear some people explain that integers are positive whole numbers and negative whole numbers, which I guess is sort of true, but there's really no such thing as a negative whole number, so this is a better definition just to write something like this. And you can see the pattern here, that it continues in both directions forever. You go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so forth, and then the same idea with the negative numbers. So integers can be used to represent various real-life situations, of course, like if you're going 55 miles per hour, the integer for that would be 55. If you were driving 55 miles an hour in reverse, you would say it's negative 55 miles per hour, perhaps. And let's say you were talking about temperature. Maybe it's 105 degrees outside here in Phoenix. So 105 degrees, so your integer would be 105. So really that's it for integers. Absolute value is defined as the magnitude of an integer. So that really only comes into play mostly with negative numbers because the magnitude of 7, written this way, is 7. But the magnitude of negative 7 is still 7. So what you're doing is you're talking about the distance from 0 on the number line. So let's talk about the absolute value of 4. Well, here's 4 on the number line, and the distance from 0 is 4, so that equals 4. But if we're doing the absolute value of negative 4, here's negative 4 right here. The distance from 0 is still 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see if you have a negative number inside the absolute value, it turns out that it changed to a positive value because we're talking about the distance from 0. And you can't have a negative distance. So that's the big idea for this lesson.